So we're here with Zach and Jack. Hopefully you can see them. We're fishing for striped bass at Corte Madera Creek. We're here at Hyper Park. We've never fished here before. We've fished the creek, we've never fished this specific part of the creek. So hopefully we can catch a striped bass, because we've been trying for so long. This is like our last opportunity, really. So let's see if we can catch one. Okay, so now we got 3 stingray rods out, and we're fishing with the stripers, or with the striper rod, swim baits. So, got a bunch of options today in terms of what we can catch. Hopefully. What? I've not gotten a bunch. I mean, I'm just thinking, like, if we continuously cast, there's gotta be 1 or 2 stripers that come through here that gotta hit our other way. Because it's shallow as hell here. It's a lot deeper on that side. We'd have to go back across the bridge.
I want like one of us start a fishing rod. I want like fish on both sides.
Okay, right now we're crossing over the bridge. Hopefully my goal is that I can make a few casts sitting right on this bridge. Because you never know, maybe they might be in the middle of this water column here. Just gotta, you know, try and time it and make it so that I don't hit anyone. We're gonna take 2 casts right here. Might be able to see Zach and Jack off in the distance over there. But they're out over there, and I'm just gonna make a few casts before I keep on moving. If this is not the most urban kind of fishing that we've done on this channel, I don't know what is. This is like, this is urban fishing at its finest. So for those of you who have been with us for a while, you've probably seen this rod and reel a couple times before. Now, it's a very nice rod and reel. However, I kind of ruined it. I screwed it up. Take full blame. It's not the rod and reel's fault. It's my fault. And the drag is broken. So pretty much that means is no matter how loose or how tight the drag is, it's always max tightness, which is an issue because it definitely makes fishing a lot more complicated. There they are, all the way over there. Does not look like they've had much luck. Spot. Okay, this is probably gonna be our last location of the day. Back all the way at Highway 101. We've walked so much today. Okay, we are gonna catch one of these fish. Right now I'm using Zach's rod. He's eating. And this is the rod that's just ready right now. I really, really want to catch one of these striped bass. It's been tough, but it's sunset. It's in about a couple minutes, or it looks like it's about to set. And I've heard that that's sometimes very good times for these fish. So, don't know. You know, we met with Fishing and McGough. And yeah, gave us some nice hints and some tips. Hopefully that should help us out. Try and catch one of these fish. Huge thanks to Fishing and McGough. I don't know how to say your channel name. Please comment in this video how to say it, because I have no idea. But yeah, thanks for the tips, man. This is a very interesting fishery, Cornamedare Creek. It's got some ups and some downsides. It can definitely it has some big fish in it, but they can be hard to catch, as shown in today's video. We are relatively experienced fishermen, and we are having some issues finding and catching these fish. So if you are going to fish here, just be aware it is a relatively complicated fishery. Got one! I got one! I got it! I got one! Oh. Zach, let me get a photo real quick.
Let's go! Finally, it's worth it. The wait.
Let's go. That fish that I just caught, that was not a YouTube overreaction. That was just pure excitement after finally catching a stripe. I mean, how long has it been? How long has it been since? Yeah, 6 months. And we finally caught. Yes! Let's go! Oh my! Yeah! Okay. No way!
Let's go! I thought I snagged. I'm dead. I thought I snagged.
That's your first striper. First striper. First saltwater fish on a lure.
Hurry up.
Okay, release him.
I cast the bar, but I caught him like
Okay, just let him in the water.
I'm get through.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh,
Let's go.
let's go. High five, dude. Funny, that was like a mini. Oh, I got one. Oh, did you see that? Oh my God. No.
That was a catch, though.
That was a catch.
That counts.
You what? You got one? Who did? Oh, you got one. I don't know. Let's go, Jack. Oh my God.
And I was like, oh, that's one big.
Okay, and by the way, the stingray rod went off, Jack. Your stingray rod. Okay, let's go. Let's take. Yeah. Last cast of the day. And it was a bomb. All right. That's it for today. Very, 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 very satisfied with what we got done today. Lots of firsts. And yeah, that should be about it for today's video.